Hello, today I will show you how to get views on your video YouTube. First, register or log in our website to create an account. Now select Add funds to credit your account. Select PayPal and add the number of credits you want. Log into your PayPal account. Choose your payment method and validate it. Once the payment has been validated, return to the merchant's website. Your account is now credited. So you can use the services. Go to New Order. Select YouTube views in the package you want. Add the YouTube video link and the amount of views. Once this is done, place your order. Your order is now running. Go to Order to see its development. Let the site work, and a few hours later you will see that the views of your video will have increased. Your meter has now increased. Thank you for your viewing and see you soon.